Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to be installing our RPT2 steps on the Chevy Silverado. We've got our mounting brackets, we've got our mounting hardware, and of course we've got our running boards. Now this is a simple no-drill installation. It's going to reuse the factory step mounts on the truck. First thing we're going to do is flip the board over, install our mounting brackets onto that, then we'll be ready to put them on the truck. Now our mounting brackets are going to attach to the step using these mounting plates. They're going to go into the channel on the bottom. And we'll take the bracket, set it in place, and we'll add the hardware. Now each side is going to get 4 brackets. We're going to space those out fairly evenly, but again, we're going to keep them loose so we can position exactly where we want to be on the truck and also determine how far out from the truck we want the step. With our brackets installed on our running board, we're going to go ahead and get the truck up in the air so we can position the board on the truck. Okay, I've got our steps set up in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a bolt on the back and the front so we get it to the height we want it. Then I'll go through and add the rest of our bolts to the truck side. Once I do that, we'll position the step, make sure it's centered on the truck, and cinch it down to the brackets. With our truck side bolts tight on the brackets, we're going to go ahead and center our running board to the cab. And then we're also going to set our placement away from the body. Once we get that where we like it, we'll cinch it down to the brackets, and that's going to complete our install. And that's all it takes to install the RPT2s. The driver's side is going to install the exact same way. Let's get this off the lift and show you how great they look. That simple installation has given us an awesome result. Modern, sleek design, nice wide platform for a sure footing every time. The RPT2 step by Rough Country. Check them out today at roughcountry.com.